Hi everybody, I'm in the woodyard today. I came to buy some sheet material, plywood, and some boards of poplar for a cupboard I'm building for my mother-in-law. I thought it's a great opportunity to show you how to tie the wood on your car. When you've got sheet material and boards, this is a bit of a problem. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay. This is Bar. She came along with me. She's my youngest daughter. And she's just helping me with the filming and choosing the boards. This is my local woodyard. I've got a selection of hardwoods. This is European oak, some American oak, some more European oak, sorts of, I don't know what, they're having a tidy up at the moment, so it's a bit hard to find material. There's some more hardwoods here, some sapele, more sapele, some pine, some what we call Carolina, which I think in the States you call it southern yellow pine, more pine all from North Europe, tongue and groove, mahogany, here we have some beech, some bed frames, some poplar. So this is my local woodyard, this is where I buy my wood. I'm quite fortunate to have such a place. Okay, so here you go. I've got several sheets of plywood here. I've got some, what they call combi in my country, some birch plywood, and I've got some boards of poplar. So I put on all the sheet material first. It's just a regular roof rack. This is an MPV, no special vehicle. After I put on the sheet material, I lie down the ropes. I put a rope here and I put a rope here. So now the rope's sandwiched between the boards and the sheet material. Now I'm going to throw the rope over there and throw the rope over there. I'm going to go around the other side of the car. Throw this one over here. And this one over here. Okay. Now I'm going to fasten one end. Let's have a look. How much rope have I got there? I'm going to fasten this end on here. I'm going to do a round turn and 2 half hitches. If anybody was in the Boy Scouts. It's a round turn, and these are half hitches. Okay. And I'm going to do the same knot here, around and around again. And another half hitch. Now if you come around the other side, I piled the wood up with the widest boards at the bottom, a bit like a pyramid, up to the top. Now I could make it even a bit more pyramidic, like this, and then all the weight is going to be pushed down on here. These are going to be squashed in between, and now we need to apply some pressure. So did you get that? The widest boards at the bottom. Just have a look at the end here, Bar. Just film the ends. So you can see it's widest at the bottom of the pile and narrower at the top. Okay, so now have a look at the rope. I take my hand, I make a loop. We call this a trucker's knot. Then I go back up here. It's a bit far away. I'll do it a bit down here. This, put this through here, and now I can apply, well, everything piled up, so these guys will be better off lying down like they were already, like this. And now, I've applied an awful lot of pressure, and I just need to tie off the end here. This and again. There we are. Now look, this is fastened really tight and it's holding the plattock down, the sheet material, and they're jammed in here as well. And I'm going to do exactly the same at the back. frame knot again. Can you see that? Pull it up tight. Go around here. Put another hitch on the end. If you've got ratchet straps, you can do exactly the same. And then just tighten it up with the ratchet strap. There we are. Now look, if I try to move the boards, only the cars move. So now I've tied the wood on, and you can see, look, the boards don't move. Just check that each board is tight, and you don't have one sliding around inside. You're going to lose it on the highway. And also the sheet material's really tight. Look, if I give this a push, the only thing that's moving is my car. So now it's all fastened firmly on your car, and that's the way I do it. I hope this helped you. And if you like the video, if you've got any comments, please comment below, subscribe, like, and ring that little bell. That'd be really great for me. Helps to promote my channel. And bye for now. Did you have a good time at the Woodyard Bar? Yeah, Bar enjoyed herself at the Woodyard too. Me too. Okay guys, bye.